Hello guys, my name is Akash and welcome to Tiami Networks Integrated Sensing live demo. Tiami Networks is a California-based deep tech startup and we are leaders in integrated sensing and communication. Our goal is to bring radar-like sensing capabilities to cellular networks. That includes 4G, 5G, and Wi-Fi. Today, in the live demo, we are showcasing our model's capabilities to identify moving targets. The target could be a person, a ground target like a UAG, or a flying target like a drone. All of this purely using passive 5G sensing. What does this mean? Using our technology, you do not have to establish connection with the base stations, and our solution is scalable across private and public networks across all cellular providers. Great. Today, on this side is our sensor. We call it Poly Edge. Poly because it's multifunctional. Edge because all the computations are being done on the edge device itself. That includes our signal processing pipeline and the machine learning algorithms. On this side, you can see Airspan's 5G radio. Our goal is to listen passively to Airspan's radio using our sensor and understand the physical environment, including moving targets, purely by observing the scattering patterns of the targets. Let's go to a live demo. Great. So a little bit more context. In this demo, we are going to be showcasing our model's geofencing capabilities. Between the sensor and the wall, you can imagine a software-defined virtual geofence. Our goal is to identify the human, its position, and whenever the human is crossing a predefined boundary. That's the dashboard. If I go here on this side of the fence, as I keep moving in and out of the geofence, on the screen, you'll be able to see a warning sign that says geofence breach. For the purpose of this demonstration, it's being shown as a simple warning sign on the screen, but realistically, we could integrate this solution readily with all the existing security software for any sort of custom alerts that you would require. Thank you.